me and my assistant here, Gino. Hi. Hey, buddy. Say hi to the camera. Are going to be filming this uh, recently acquired auction find General Electric box fan. This is, I've been told it was probably from the 50s by other collectors. I paid a whopping... This is one of the more expensive fans I've got at that auction. The most expensive is the Emerson Oscillator, the brown one. I paid $45 for that. Actually, I did pay... I think I did pay like $50 for a Delco DC oscillator, but that's been sold to Arjun in New York. If you're on the forums, you'd know him. Good kid. But yeah, if this is one of the more expensive fans, I got this and a Burns Monarch as a package deal for $70. Don't think I did too bad. I need 35 for each, and I think I can possibly get my money's worth out of this one, like the whole lot, if I find the right person, because this is just a neat old box fan, and these are kind of sought after because it's like mid-century, high-end. Paint's a little rough. It's got some sticky stuff on it. This is after I cleaned it, but I didn't clean it with any sort of like scrubber or anything because I didn't want to take off any of the paint. But it was very, very rough when I got it. It was pretty dirty. It was a shop fan, obviously. So was the Burns Monarch. They both cleaned up okay. The Burns Monarch isn't in as good a shape, but you'll see the Burns Monarch soon enough. But anyways, the thermostat does, to an extent, work. I don't know how accurate it is, but I do know. So, it does click on and off. I don't know if it actually reads the temperature anymore, but anyways, here's low speed. Kicks on. And turn that all the way on. This is low speed. Handle rattles. And the motor is a little noisy. But the bearings are good though. It's just this type of GE motor is, I guess these are known to be noisy after a while. It takes a while to spin up, but I also think that's because it's got a really heavy blade set. Those blades are like 10 to 20 pounds easy. Here's medium. It is a little out of balance, but only at certain RPMs, which is kind of peculiar. And here's higher speed. So I've just run it on low speed for now because it really doesn't shake it hardly at all on low speed. I gotta figure out how to balance those blades better. But that goes down to its low speed, and then I'll turn it off and show you guys just how long it takes to spin down. And yes, I am sitting down and filming because I'm too lazy. Alright. And that's off. Now, there is like no wind or anything in this room, so this is just those blades and those bearings spinning. It's kind of surprising. Alright, that's it for this video.